how to study well. We have to do concentration on what we are doing. Without sufficient concentration, we are unable to do something. When developing good study habits, you have to set time for everything. Steps to improve your study skills. First, try to visualize in concrete terms to get a picture in your head. Second, in addition, you say the words out loud and listen to yourself saying them. Third, find a good place to study. Fourth, minimize distractions and take breaks. Fifth, take your self-assessment to correct your mistakes. Sixth, get enough sleep because sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. Seventh, stay hydrated and eat healthy because nourishing your body supports brain function. Eighth, exercise regularly. Physical activity can improve cognitive function. Ninth, collaborating with others can provide support and different perspectives. By incorporating these strategies into your study routine, you can significantly improve your learning and achieve better results. Thank you.
Second stage, I am Aradhya from class 9. Today's three questions are: my first question is, who was the Hindu ruler of North India in the 19th century? Right answer, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. My second question is, by which constitution amendment was Delhi given the status of national capital territory? Right answer, 69. My third question is, which state of India produces the most rubber? Right answer, Kerala. My fourth question is, which Latin country of India is known as the land of thunder dragon? Right answer is Bhutan. My fifth question is, what is the duration of international hockey match? 60 minutes. Right answer, 60 minutes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
From class 2nd, today's bhajan. Good morning. My name is Pari from class 3rd.